Hook, have you ever wondered who's behind the sleek, purple Monzo card in your wallet? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer is more complex than you might think. Let's dive into the ownership of this popular digital bank. The rise of Monzo, the UK-based digital bank, has taken the financial world by storm. Known for its user-friendly app, fee-free spending, and innovative features, it's become a go-to choice for many. But who's pulling the strings behind this financial revolution? The early days. To understand Monzo's ownership, we need to go back to its roots. Founded in 2015, Monzo initially raised funds through crowdfunding. This meant that thousands of individuals became early investors, owning a small stake in the company. The VC connection. As Monzo gained traction, it attracted the attention of venture capital firms. These firms, with their deep pockets, provided significant funding to help Monzo scale and expand its operations. Notable investors included Excel, DST Global, and General Catalyst. The role of founders. While venture capital firms played a crucial role, the founders of Monzo, Tom Blomfield and Jason Bates, also held substantial stakes in the company. Their vision and leadership were instrumental in Monzo's success. IPO or not? One of the most frequently asked questions about Monzo is whether it plans to go public through an initial public offering, IPO. While there have been rumors and speculations, Monzo has remained tight-lipped on its IPO plans. Some believe that an IPO could provide the company with a significant influx of cash to fuel further growth. The future of Monzo ownership. As Monzo continues to evolve, its ownership structure may change. New investors could enter the picture, or existing shareholders might sell their stakes. The future of Monzo's ownership is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the company's success will continue to shape its ownership landscape. Conclusion. So, who truly owns Monzo? The answer is complex. While venture capital firms and the founders hold significant stakes, countless individuals who participated in the early crowdfunding rounds also have a piece of the pie. The future of Monzo's ownership remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: it's a story that continues to unfold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.